started racing. But moments tend to fade, and you're too far away from me to get my name in. Someone keeps blocking my way. I can't feel further away. Wait on the moment to say that I want you. You know that I want you.
Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another day in the life of a mental health therapist video. Today we're going to be doing an end of the month reset and just getting everything prepped for the new month. I'm also currently in a t-shirt because I'm going to be doing a lot of cleaning, and I'm always in like an oversized comfortable t-shirt when I'm not working and I'm here at home just trying to clean and just get myself organized. You know what I mean? I don't really want to do that not being comfortable. And also I'm not going to be seeing any clients today. The only person that I'm going to be seeing is my supervisors. This month has been a really busy month. It was also stressful. Like there was a lot more investing this month on my part than I've done since I opened my practice. So it feels really good to end this month and to end it prepping, you know, and trying to clean and get myself nice and organized. I still have the box of things from the event I went to, but today here we are left with the aftermath and I have to go ahead and organize and put all of those things back. So I thought we could hang out and do all of that together. So I am going to go ahead and put a movie here in my office and just start cleaning, and then we're gonna go ahead and do my wall calendar together, all of the stuff like we did in my last end of the month reset video. And the person that really inspired me to do this is Monica from Cafe with Monica. She had always talked about how she blocked out, you know, the end of the month to just take time to rest and reset and reorganize herself. And I thought that was a great idea and something that I definitely wanted to implement for myself in my own practice since launching. So I'm super thankful that she's super open about the things that work for her. It's really nice to have someone to look up to and to be inspired by, and Monica has definitely always been that for me. So Monica, if you're watching this, thank you so much. So I'm gonna go ahead and just keep drinking my the manzanilla and put on a movie. Let's go ahead and get started. For real this time, for real.
Summer rain on the window. Watch the time flow hold on. Cool air blows a memento as I fall behind. I'm so sorry for dreaming about the future. Maybe I'll be better when we're old enough. Hey, I'm sorry for dreaming about the future. You and I'll be better when we're old enough.
I'm done cleaning, everyone. I'm so sorry if you can hear my fan. It's really loud, but it's also super hot in here, so very, very necessary. One day though, I would really like to put in a silent fan in here, that way I could have that turned on during my client sessions, because it does get kind of hot in here. But for right now, I'm gonna go ahead and prep for my supervision meeting, which basically just means put in my earphones and log on and just make a quick little note of some things that I want to talk to my supervisor about. So I'm going to go ahead and take a look at the clients that I ended up working with for the week to give her updates and things like that. So I will go ahead and check in with you all later.
Thank you. Wow. So if I could show you something.
Okay everyone, so my supervisor let me know that she's running a little bit behind. So I ended up switching to another company or someone else for the music that I'm going to be having here on my YouTube channel. I've been using Epidemic Sound for a long time with my other YouTube channel, and I recently started using it on this one. But I ended up switching to Thematic because I feel like they have a lot more aesthetic type music, or at least the type of aesthetic that I'm going for this channel. So I made myself a playlist this morning of all the songs that I want to start using in these videos. So I'll go ahead and show you really quick. So right here, I have the whole playlist. And you should already be hearing this music in this video. And also when you make YouTube videos, you have this section, it's called YouTube Studio. So you're able to kind of see behind the scenes how many subscribers you have, how your videos are performing, all of that. So I've been constantly checking the monetization portion because I'm so close, and the little scale that they have on there is very deceiving because it looks like you're super close, but technically I have 3,896 public watch hours out of 4,000. 4,000 public watch hours is what you need in order to finally be monetized. So I've met every other requirement on there. And so what ended up happening with my channel is that the first year that I started this channel, I wasn't able to be as consistent because I was working for someone else and I had to see a certain number of clients to make what I was making, and it just was really hard to keep up with both things. So I tried to just make videos when I could. So technically I probably could have been monetized my first year on YouTube, but such is life. It was a really busy time in my life. I also want to share that because I want to let you know that it's okay if that's what your life looks like and you want to do this. Maybe you can't be as consistent, but at the end of the day, I still think that it's better to just start and to do your best. But I am truly happy for the community that we have, for what I've been able to share with you all, and just to make the kind of videos again that I really wish that I had back in the day, just to see representation or to see someone in my career field. So I'm just really happy to be here with you all, and I hope you continue to enjoy my channel. Something that I am noticing though is that you all tend to really enjoy the day in the life vlog style videos, which is super surprising to me. And I will definitely continue to do more of that and just incorporate a lot more of the topics that you all request within the vlogs and within the videos to have topics to talk to you all about. Let me know what you think about that. I'm the type of viewer that loves vlogs. Like, I love coming along for people's lives, seeing what they're doing throughout their day. I'm super nosy and chismosa like that. Like, I love it. It's so comforting. So if that's you, definitely let me know. But it is helpful to have this whole behind the scenes YouTube studio thing, because it does let me see views wise what videos are doing better and which ones aren't. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and re-sign on to my email and meet with my supervisor. Ooh, just kidding. I think the packages that I ordered just got here. I'm so excited because I wanted to unbox these or unwrap them with you. So okay everyone, so I just finished with my supervision meeting and I have the packages right here, so we can go ahead and unbox them. So I ordered 3 different books that I want to go ahead and read through to see if they would be good to recommend for my therapy clients and also to talk about on here with you all. And it's been a hot minute since I've ordered some new books, and I know it's something that you all have been wanting me to share more about, and I want to make a dedicated video about books that I recommend, but I wanted to add some more books on there, so we'll see how these books end up turning out after I read them and all of that. But let's go ahead and unbox them so I can show you what I ended up getting. Ooh, this cover is everything. So the first book that I ended up ordering is this book right here, and it's You Sound Like a White Girl, The Case for Rejecting Assimilation, and it's actually pretty thin. I thought it was going to be super thick. I love this because I noticed that it's a lot easier to recommend books sometimes if they're not like really thick, because I get it too. Sometimes if we want to learn about a topic, it's like, I don't want to read a Harry Potter book, you know, Harry Potter thickness anyway. So I love this. And this right here is the author, if you all can see. And the way I ended up finding out about this book is because I follow her on TikTok. Honestly, I love TikTok so much because I've been able to just learn about so many more authors and books. So I'm really excited to read this for myself. I've heard great things about it. And the next book, Breaking the Good Girl Myth by Majo Molfino. And it says on here, How to Dismantle Outdated Rules, Unleash Your Power, and Design a More Purposeful Life. We love to see it, so I'm so excited. And then the last package, or last book, is this one right here. And this one is actually a poetry book that has been on my cart forever. And so she really does write poetry for other Latina women, which is perfect because I want to be able to recommend books to clients that they can connect with, because it's not always about getting the book with all the statistics and psychological terminology. Sometimes clients need a book about poetry that connects them with their culture, that can help them along their healing journey. So we'll see how this ends up going. So that is it for the book unboxing, everyone. I'm going to go ahead and start working on my content calendar, so follow me. We're gonna go ahead and end the video with that. If you're new to my channel, definitely consider hitting that subscribe button and joining the community on here. Like this video if you liked it, comment, share my channel with others who you think it could be beneficial for. All of these things help support my channel so that I can keep creating videos for you all. I gave you all my little outro ahead of time, that way we can go ahead and just work on the board.
Summer rain on a window, watch the time float on. Cool air blows a memento as I fall behind. I'm so sorry for dreaming about the future. Maybe I'll be better when we're old enough. Hey, I'm sorry for dreaming about the future. take apart all the good things, stripped away what's there to do. So many times I tried, but I just don't remember.